So the key idea is on my Medium essay. You go on Medium. There's no paywall. It's called Trash Recon for the Win, FTW. So Trash Recon for the Win. The idea is minimalist blimp, minimal sensors and signaling, and you just send out a lot of them whenever the wind is at your back. So these blimps are all drifting forward on the battlefield, and when a group of them go silent, then you know that you've located a jammer. And so you can now target the jammer. And when you knock the jammer out, the blimps are all still progressing. So whenever the wind is in your favor, then you're able to push the front line, create openings, and make progress. And that's it. It changes the strategic dynamics when you can always detect a jammer outranging them. You can detect the jammer because the blimps went into that zone and became silent. So you being outside that zone are able to identify when that happened without being in it. So there you go.